This is Coco. This is Tiki. Very nice birds. Oops, sorry. I'm kind of looking at the video. There we go. This is a thing I made for them so they can perch. It's kind of crooked. I have to fix it off later.
Their feathers are so cool.
Hey, no
I thought Tiki doesn't bite.
I told you they both bite, but then I trained Tiki more.
I love their feathers, like how it's back.
They don't want to show their feathers right now.
I like how they fly. This feather like comes up, like you know this.
Okay, I think this should be the end of the video.
No, now.
Sorry guys, but this is I think my first camera video. It's kind of bad because it's off the phone. Sorry about that though. Just one last look. It kind of got blurry though. Hello. Do you like being on the camera? There you go. Okay, yeah, it kind of got blurry. So, oh god, didn't get last blur. Hello. Okay.
I like Tiki. It's my bad bird.
Okay, end of the video. Bye. Hope you like my bird.
Okay, wait. One more thing. Wait.
Okay, fine. David, serious? Okay. They're so bored of us.
A little pat on the head will do.
No, stop. Okay, just this is the end of the video. Oh, you're looking at.
You know they poop.
Good to know. Okay.
Bye.
So this is the end of the video.
I hope you like it because it's.
David, please don't dislike it because I know this is a really bad video.
Yeah, it's a really.
But I'm gonna show much better ones. Trust me, I'm gonna show them grooming each other. And
I'm playing games, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm playing games.
Yeah. Oh, look at Coco's looking at it.
It could be anything, like.
Yes.
Videos.
Okay. So this is my first live video.
We did pictures.
David, please be quiet. Alright, so.
Say bye to the camera. Bye. Say
David,
bye.
stop scaring them. Okay.
I'm missing Bob.
Perfect. Oh.
Okay.
Now they're yawning. Wait. A yawn. Wait, I have to do a bit more. Wait. What if we just like leave them?
Oh my god. Okay, open their wings up and see. Oh, groom each other, please.
David, be quiet. What are you doing? Hi, Coco, do you want to eat the tape? Come on, they're not that stupid.
Do you think this is going to be the end of the video?
Wait, maybe something good will happen. See, Coco's trying to do something.
Hey, we didn't make them fly. We don't see them.
Shh, David. Coco's trying to do something, and we don't know. I wonder.
Tiki does this. Like, can you do a little bit this way? It's boring for them.
Yeah, for the people, it's very boring right now.
This way now. Why are you doing that? Oh my god.
Close up bird. Kind of blurry. Oh, they don't have stage fright anymore. Yay! I know Coco loves to be in videos. Tiki doesn't really. So, okay, this is really the end of the video.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
I hope you like it.
I hope you liked my birds.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do much better videos.
Yeah, more.
Oh, and by the way, I have to tell you something. So, see their beaks? It's not really showing very well, but let's see. Focused a bit. Okay, this green one is turning with bluish, and the blue one too, so I think they're going to be both boys. So if their beaks turn dark blue, that means they're boys. If their beaks are kind of like the regular kind of beaky color, then they're girls. So I don't know, they're pretty young parakeets right now, but if their beaks turn dark blue or like any kind of dark color, that means they're going to be boys.
Okay,
I think I'll do a video on that. So this is just my first video right now.
Let's do a video of the grooming.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Well, I want to focus in the...
Okay, bye.
Yeah, bye.